Welcome back. Now news from sports. The first day's play of the four-day Ranji Trophy cricket match between Goa and Assam at the MCC ground in Madgaon had to be called off due to prevalent unseasonal rain in the state.
The pitch and the surrounding areas of the ground remained under covers for most part of the day. The frustrating overcast and unseasonal rainy spell forced the players to sit indoors as the match officials conducted pitch inspection. Goa had got off to a decent start to their season with a draw in the first game in Vidarbha, and Rajesh Kamat's boys would have been itching to get onto the field and get on with their first home game of the season. However, that was not to be on Tuesday, and in fact was seen kicking the football around in a light training session. Hopefully, if the weather improves dramatically, the match could commence on Wednesday. Match referee Anand Patel revealed that in such climatic conditions there was no option but to abandon first day's play.
Today there will be no match.
So what is the reason?
Because of the bad weather. The wicket is very wet, the outfield is very wet, the bowler's run-up is wet. So they tried their best, everybody. But it was not possible today.
And what time is tomorrow's match?
Tomorrow, 9:30, we will be seeing what is the condition. Because let's see whether it dried up or not. We will have to see that bowler's run-up. That is the only thing which is causing trouble.
Only the bowler. What about the pitch?
Bowler's run-up.
Regarding the pitch?
Pitch has dried. Pitch has dried.
And the outfield?
Outfield, somewhere there are wet patches, but they will be mended. Let's see.
Goa captain and former India middle order batsman Sridharan Sriram put the annoying weather conditions behind him and looked ahead of the contest in offing.
Weather is something we can't control. Part and parcel of professional life, I guess.
Okay. And so now the tournament's been reduced just 3 matches. So what do you have to say?
3 matches?
Just 3 days. 3 days.
Still, we don't know. It looks like it's going to rain again, so we don't know. We'll wait. We'll keep our fingers crossed.
Our sports reporter Noel D'Souza and reporter Ramesh Naik Raut from Margao.
Goa's top 2 table tennis players, Diljit Velinkar and Agnel Naik, feel that the Goa Table Tennis Association should bring in seeded players from other states to play with the Goan players. The duo believes that this will improve the standard of the game in the state.
Agnel, who is playing table tennis for the past 7 years and has represented India at the Lusophonia Games, shared his thoughts when prudent media caught up with the 20-year-old.
Do you think the level of TT in Goa is the same or has it increased?
Yeah, it's become better right now because a lot of coaching stuff and a lot of new equipments and gadgets have been bought in. So that's the reason it has increased like past 3 years now.
Okay. So do you think the Table Tennis Association should get in players from outside, top tier players from other states to play with you all?
Yeah, of course. They have to get players from outside because we get a lot of exposure and our game goes to the next level.
Top seed of Goa, Diljit, also agreed that the association should get in players from outside to improve state players.
Do you think that the association should get players from outside to play with you all?
हय दिसा कोच हाडटा म्हणल्यार केन्ना प्लेयर हाडूना गोंयांक अजुनी कोच येयल्या बरे कोच येवन गेला कॉमनवेल्थ कमलेश मेहता येवन गेला गोंयांक बरे कोच येवन गेल्या म्हणल्यार
बट तेमी हाडपा जाय प्लेयर्स हाडपा जाय association.
हय हाडपा जाय हाडल्या जाल्यार आमची गेम इम्प्रूव जावपाक शकता कित्याक आमचे फुडें सगळ्या फुडें खेळून गेम तितली लेवल उरता आनी इतली गेम उरता आनी मागीर ते सेम गोंयांत टुर्नामेंट आतां गेल्या त्या वर्सा मॅच टुर्नामेंट करताले 15-14 टुर्नामेंट गेल्या त्या वर्सा 14 जिखलो आनी मॅच टुर्नामेंट बंद उडयले कित्याक सेम प्लेयर पर फायनली पडटा सेम प्लेयर पर फायनल उरता.
Diljit also threw an open challenge to all the Goans that no one will be able to defeat him in the next 2 years.
No, nobody is there. कितली प्रॅक्टीस केल्या आनी 2 वर्सां कोणाच्यान म्हाका मारपा जावपाना.
Our sports reporter from Madgaon, Noel D'Souza, with reporter Samir Bhatt.
An exhibition football match was played between Goa Diocesan Priest and Goa Football Association members from Mormugao Zone on Sunday. The match was played at Tilak Maidan in Vasco. You enjoy, I take your leave, take care and goodbye.
The diocesan priest hammered GFA members by 6 goals to 2. Goa Archbishop Reverend Father Philip Neri Ferrao was the chief guest. These are the fun-filled moments from the match, shot by our reporter Surendra Matkaikar from Vasco.